Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to show you how to check your deposit and withdrawal history. For those of you that are looking for how to check these two items, you will be able to know how to do this after watching this video. Although, just to make it clear, estate have very good statistical data in the back office. If you are calm enough and if you are paying attention to using all the features in estate, you should have seen this already. Okay, but for those that cannot easily check deposit and withdrawal history, this video will help you to get that done. So very quickly, when you're logging into your account, right, so just go to your back office in your estate account, select buyer. Okay, you see all the tabs there. Okay, all the necessary tabs. Click on buyer. When you click on buyer, these sub tabs will open. Okay, so you see e-wallet, real estate, and my assets. You want to select e-wallet, right? When you select e-wallet, come down to the bottom here, and then you will see where it says all operations. Click on where it says all operations. When you click on where it says all operation, this page will now open. Okay, when this page opens, the next thing you do is you come to my right hand side here where it says filters. Okay, so select on where it says transaction type, all types. Click on that little arrow there, and then it will drop down and open different items here. So if you want to check your deposit, you select add funds, okay, to view your deposit history. If you want to check your withdrawal history, you click withdrawal, and then you will be able to view your withdrawal history. So let me give you a quick example of that because I'm using screenshots to show you this, right? So if I go to this next page now, supposing I select add funds. When I select add funds, you will see that all the deposit I have made for this period of time will appear. You will see the date and everything is there, right? And then if you select withdrawal, this page will also open for you to see your withdrawal history. Okay, so you can toggle to different pages. If you've done a lot of withdrawals, you have about 3, 4, maybe 10 different pages. So you go and toggle between page 1 up to page 10, depending on how many withdrawals you've done. If you've done only one withdrawal, you will see it right there on the operations history. So this is how to check your withdrawal and deposit history in eState. For those of you that are looking to join my team in eState, the link to do so is below this video description. The platform is very easy to use and it is giving us daily earnings from the fractional real estate that we have purchased. So if you are interested in fractional real estates, okay, that has been tokenized, then this is good for you. All right, the link to join is below this video description. The minimum to start this platform is $10 and there is no maximum, so you can put in from 10 to millions of dollars. It's entirely up to you, right? But of course, I don't advise anybody to start with $10 because you are going to be earning pretty much nothing, right? So $10 to me is like you activating your account, right? And then later on you can add more money. If you have good money, then you put into this platform, you will be able to earn passive income from the rentals, right? Because you are purchasing a fraction of the property and you are going to be earning on a daily basis 0.3% to 1% daily, Mondays to Friday. Okay, and all of that percentage that I just talked to you about, they are generated from the rental of those properties, right, that you have purchased. So that is how we make money in estate. It is easy, it is straightforward, it has been consistent since July last year that I joined, and it remains very, very, very successful so far. So if you are looking for a successful platform, then you know what to do. Thank you and God bless.